is Madhu. Welcome to my channel Wow Crafty. Today in this video I am going to show you the beautiful lehenga from this nice red color saree with silver zari and with a big border. First step is to cut out the blouse and pallu part of the saree. It can be wear to lehengas like this and long frocks and also to the umbrella lehengas. The gap between the pleats should be the same for all the pleats. Like this, we have to arrange all the pleats. Complete 4 meters cloth we have to arrange like this and adjust the waistband length. Complete 4 meters of the lehenga we have to arrange the pleats like this. After arranging the pleats, the lehenga will look like this. Now measure this waist length. This waist length should be equal to the waistband length and plus 2 inches. 1 inch for the loosing and 1 inch for the margin. Now measure the waist length. The waist length is 28.5 inches. My daughter waistband length is 24 inches. Here I kept 4.5 inches extra. For the margin 1 inch extra and for the loose I kept is 3.5 inches. Now fold the edges of the waistband to the wrong side by 2 times like this of length 5 inches and put a stitch here. Put the exact measurements then stitch here one zip. Here I put a stitch to the arranged pleats and also to the edges of the waistband. Now leave this 5 inches folded part and put a stitch to join the sides of the lehenga. Here leave this part of 5 inches length and put a stitch here. After stitching the sides, now fold the edges like this and put a stitch for the neat finishing. After stitching the sides of the lehenga is looking like this. Here we will fold like this and we'll put a stitch to adjust the length of the lehenga. The lehenga length we have to adjust by 8 inches, so we have to fold like this inside one and also one from the outside so that it will look very neatly. No need to use head pins here, you can directly stitch on the machine. Here I put a stitch to this fold. See how it looks from the wrong side. And from the right side, it will look like this. And now we will put the other fold like this to the right side and we'll put a stitch. Fold like this and put another fold on the right side of the lehenga. After stitching, it will look like this from the right side. Like this, we have to adjust the length of the lehenga. Take 2 inches width and 1.5 meters length fabric strip from the leftover fabric of the saree to stitch the waist knot. On the right side of the waist part of the lehenga, place the strip like this and put a stitch. After attaching the strip to the waist part of the lehenga, now fold the strip to the wrong side by 2 times and put a stitch. Fold like this and put a stitch here. Continue stitching the strip by folding the same. Like this, we can stitch the lehenga by our own. Try this beautiful lehenga for you and your daughter, and you can stitch this for your relatives' kids also. You can gift it so that they will feel so happy. If you like this video, please like, share and comment below. If you not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for future notification.